Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing devices and initiating pairing. Insert fresh batteries or verify the remote shows charge. This prevents mid-setup dropouts. Turn the TV to the Chromecast input and make sure the Chromecast is powered. Some models need USB power from the TV or wall adapter. Once done, put your phone or tablet on the same Wi-Fi as the Chromecast and have the network name and password ready. Press and hold the remote's pairing button now to begin discovery. You want the device visible immediately. Now follow the on-screen pairing and setup flow. This is where accuracy matters. When the TV displays a numeric code, compare it to the code on your phone and confirm. This prevents pairing to another device. Next, select your Wi-Fi network in the app and enter the password so Chromecast can join. If permissions are requested for microphone or location, grant them only if you want voice features. These enable remote voice controls and faster network scanning. Make sure the app completes software updates before continuing. Finish by testing navigation and volume controls to confirm the remote is mapped correctly. Use the home and back buttons, then try voice input if enabled. This verifies features work together. If pairing fails, restart the Chromecast, the remote, remove batteries briefly, and your router, then retry the process. Reboots clear temporary network glitches. As a final troubleshooting step, reset the remote by holding back and home for 10 seconds, then reattempt pairing. If problems persist, check battery orientation and nearby wireless interference sources.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.